Hi everyone, I'm Nikki Closser and I'm a portrait photographer, and something I've learned after doing this for 10 years, one way that I'm able to free up some of my time is to use a program called FilterPixel. FilterPixel is an AI culling program so that you don't have to do the tedious, monotonous task of culling. FilterPixel automatically chooses your best images for you, and I cannot tell you how helpful it is in the workflow process. FilterPixel will help you free up some time not only to do the things that you love, but also to help you grow your business. You can spend that time instead doing the things that are so important to getting new clients and building that sales average. So if you've ever listened to me or my guests on the Portrait System podcast, you know that we often talk about how to be the most successful without burning out while continuing to love what we do. And when I found out about a program that was going to help decrease my workflow time by culling my images for me, I definitely wanted to know all about it and be part of it. And on top of making my workflow easier, FilterPixel was created by a really great group of people, and their customer service is second to none. If you're ready to spend less time at your computer, head over to filterpixel.com where you can sign up and get started now.